Good day, everyone. My name is Ethan James Oyama Lorenzana, and I am honored and pleased to be here as we celebrate United Nations Day, a day and time where we celebrate and appreciate the unity of nations across the world and globe. Today, as we celebrate, I will be representing the country of Australia, which I will be sharing my outfit or costume, and I will also be sharing a brief trivia and a poem that I will share later on. Before we dive in, as I have mentioned, I will be sharing my costume, which is more like a clothing or wear. Australia doesn't actually have a traditional costume, which is why I am wearing one of the practical and usual attires or clothing that the Aussies and Australians wear whenever they go on adventures, expeditions, and mostly zookeeping, etc. And this outfit is pretty practical, which I would say it is a traditional costume or clothing which the Australians wear. Moving on with our brief trivia, the country of Australia isn't only known as a country, it is also known as a continent, which is the smallest out of all seven, but is also the sixth biggest and largest country out of all countries. Australia is also mostly built with deserts and other regions that are mostly uninhabitable and also sparsely populated. It, it is built as home of some of the most unique animals and landscapes, which comes from kangaroos to koalas, also spiders, which are known from Australia, also from the Great Barrier Reef to the outback, which represents as only some of Australia's natural and beautiful wonders and cultures in their country. For my last trivia, did you know Australia has more kangaroos than people in their country? It is about 26.8 million people in their country, with over 50 million people kangaroos that lives in Australia. Anyways, moving on with my poem. I prepared a poem for my talent. Beneath the blazing southern sun, a land of wonder, wild and fun. From deserts to oceans, Australia's heart beats strong and true. Kangaroos leap through grassy plains, while parrots sing and koalas soar. The city lights of cities glow, where busy streets and harbors flow. While desert sand whisper from timeless land, a place of people proud and strong, with many voices, spirits grow. That's all for my United Nations video. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.